Hello everyone, this is Providencia. Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and enjoying this beautiful weather that we've been having lately. Anyhow, today I'm going to show you how to make my mother's arroz con gandules. I highly recommend that you guys make this. It is very delicious. Make it for your family, make it for your friends, make it for a party. Trust me, everyone is gonna be going for seconds. That's how good this rice is. With that being said, let me show you how to make this delicious arroz con gandules. So the first thing my mother is going to add is extra virgin olive oil. You do not have to use extra virgin olive oil. You could use corn oil, canola oil, vegetable oil, but that's the way my mother makes it. Now she's adding a lot because this is a big pot of rice she's gonna make. We were celebrating my son's birthday. So for measurements, use about 3 cucharones of oil, whichever oil you have on hand. Next, my mother is gonna add smoked pork shoulder sliced. Now that's the way it comes in a package. You could definitely buy this in a Spanish supermarket, but if you're unable to find it, you could add ham. You could even add bacon to this rice. It's whatever you prefer, but that's the way my mother makes it, and trust me, it gives it such a great flavor. So I highly recommend you try to get it. I also forgot to mention to make sure that your pot is on medium low. You're going to want to cook this for a few minutes.
Sofrito. Hecho en Puerto Rico, huepa!
Yes, that was my mother's voice that you just heard right now. But yes, you're gonna need some sofrito. This is store-bought, I know, but I do got a sofrito recipe in my channel, so I will leave the link in the description box below. She added 3 tablespoons of sofrito. Also make sure to cook it for at least 2 minutes. She's gonna add 2 cans of pigeon peas, which is gandules. Yep, me and my mama hearing some oldies. Oldies, the classics, and me like always singing in the kitchen. But anyways, next my mother is adding garlic powder. Add as little or as much as you want. Just make sure it doesn't say garlic salt because it does have salt and you don't want to make this too salty. She's gonna add some adobo. Try to add a little at a time. My mother's gonna taste it later on and then she's gonna add a little bit more, but yeah, just add a little bit of adobo. She is adding some oregano. She's gonna add some parsley. Add 1 packet of caldo de pollo. If you do not have this one, just add, one of those little chicken cubes. Next, you're gonna need 2 packets of sazon. 2 packets of jamon, which is ham, but it's concentrated. A lot of these ingredients you can find in your Spanish supermarket. I just want to point that out. Also, she's gonna add some salad olives. Make sure that it's the salad ones, not the one with the pits, because those, it comes with little pimientos and they're pitted. So yeah, and that's optional. I know a lot of people don't like olives, but we sure love some olives. Next, my mother is going to add tomato paste. You're going to want to use the whole can of tomato paste. As you can see, I'm showing it to you right there. How much was left, which was barely nothing. And then mix everything up. From this point on, make sure you put your fire very high, and you're going to want to cook this for at least a good 5 to 7 minutes. My mother likes to do this to make sure everything comes together, all the seasonings, just everything blend and come together. Next, make sure that you wash your rice, and my mother is adding 7 cups of rice. This is medium grain rice, by the way. Once you add your rice, mix everything real good. Now, my mother didn't measure how much water she put in there. We're alike in that sense because we do eyeball everything. We already know everything by eye. Do the spoon trick like my mother did. If your spoon stands up, then you know that you got the perfect amount of rice and water. You don't want to add too much water where you can barely see the rice. You want to see the rice, but you want to make sure that water is above the rice. At this point, taste the water of the rice, and if you feel like you gotta add a little bit more adobo or whatever, then you add it. My mother felt it needed some salt, so she added salt. Taste as you go. I always tell you that in all of my videos.
Now that's perfect. Want to taste it? Yes. Ay, Dios mío. I can eat the broth alone. Pasteles.
From this point on, your fire should be high, as I mentioned earlier, for that way your rice could dry up.
It's gonna be for TikTok. Let me not put that part. Oh my God, the little cueritos, the little eso. Oh my God.
The rice is dried up, and from this point you're going to want to add your aluminum foil and put the lid on. Make sure when you do this, put the fire on very low from this point. You don't want your rice to burn. And you're going to cook that for at least 25 to 30 minutes because it is a bigger pot of rice, so yeah, it's going to take a little longer. If you do a smaller pot, 20 to 25 minutes. So while we wait for the arroz con gandules to cook, I am going to go and put the pasteles to boil. These are my mother's pasteles. She made it just for me. But yes. Oh my God. I wish I had a pastele right now. Oh my goodness. This is the bad part of me editing. When I have to see all the food already coming to its place, cooking. Oh, it kills me. Because I do these videos at night. So, yeah. Oh my goodness, I want a pastele. After 30 minutes, bam, the rice is done. Oh my goodness, I love arroz con gandules. Oh my God, look at that rice. Just look at that rice. I don't know, but I think this week I'm gonna make arroz con gandules because watching these videos in the nighttime, no, I'm getting hungry. But yes, the arroz con gandules is done.
Everybody got the fuego. Fuego. Come on, you don't know who's that Beto in El Alfa. He's Puerto Rican and the guy that says fuego is Dominican.
Here's a close-up of the rice. Oh my goodness. Just give me a carne from that rice. A carne, por favor. That rice is really good. And I'm not saying it because that's my mama's rice. I'm saying it because it's the truth. Please make it. Now, when my mother stood over, she made some potato salad. That's already on my channel. I'm going to leave the link to that in the description box below. She made bacalao salad. Oh my goodness, that bacalao salad. Oh. Anyway, I'm having a moment here. But that's in my channel. I will leave it in the description box below. She also did some pasteles, believe it or not. However, she doesn't want me to post the video up. It's a family recipe, so yeah, I'm sorry you guys. She also did the arroz con gandules, which is this video, and you're watching it now. And she also made pulpo. I know a lot of people don't like pulpo, but I love pulpo. She really made that for me. That video will be coming very soon on my channel. And there it is, arroz con gandules. Delicious. Look at how fluffy it is. It looks beautiful. It tastes beautiful. Every time my mother makes this rice, everybody eats 2 or 3 times. Everybody loves my mother's arroz con gandules. So please make this for your family. They're gonna love it. And here is the final plate. The pulpo salad that my mother made. Oh my goodness, I can't edit this anymore. I just can't. I'm glad we're at the end because I can't. You guys know I always get like this towards the end. The potato salad, oh my god, that potato salad is so good. Make that for your family as well. Everything that you see in this plate, minus the pasteles, make it for your family. The bacalao salad, oh my goodness, I was having a moment when I was seeing it right now. It was really, really good. Arroz con gandules, oh yeah, with all the meats right there on the top. I wish I could have that whole plate again. And my mother's famous pasteles. The reason why she don't want me to put it on YouTube is because she sells them in New York and everybody's been trying to steal her recipe since I was a child. Put it like that. My mother's pasteles is so good. And yeah, this is the whole plate. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. To all my old subscribers, thank you for supporting me and still watching my videos and still on my channel basically. And for the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. I hope you stick around for a while. With that being said, take care, God bless, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.